Well, here's the infamous waterfalls. I'm finally getting a video of it. It's kind of late. It's about 3:30 at night, so the sun's starting to go down. But here it is in all its glory. I think Pete would really enjoy this. Look at the water falling off that. And let me tell you, the rocks are really slippery. I fell on my butt twice trying to get down here. But it sure is a pretty sight. And I sure am glad that the tornado didn't wreck this, because this is a beautiful place. And it holds lots of memories for me and my brother. And just look around at the bush. The trees are starting to turn. Here's where the creek flows. Doesn't look like much now. But come the spring, this is just a torrent. You wouldn't be able to stand where I'm standing, because the water comes so fast and furious, and it's ice cold, and it's covered in ice. I don't know if there's any brook trout in here or not. I've never caught any. I don't know if anybody has. But it's getting late, and I should get out of here in case I slip and fall. But there's the waterfall. What's above it? Oh, just more trees. Maybe I'll try to get up top and see what's going on up there. Let me see. Also, it's starting to rain, so hang on.